Today we'll be going to discuss about the subjects and the marks distribution. In the BAMS first year, we have 5 subjects: Padartha Vignanan, Ayurved, Itihas, Sanskrit, Kriya Sharir, Rachana Sharir, and Ashtanga Hridaya. Padartha Vignanan Ayurved Itihas has 2 papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2, for 100 marks and 100 marks each. This is for 100 marks and this is for 100 marks because it has 2 papers. Sanskrit has only 1 paper for 100 marks. Kriya Sharir has 2 papers for 100 marks each, and 100 includes practicals. So in Kriya Sharir, the subject is for 300 marks, and in the Rachana Sharir is also similar to the Kriya Sharir. It also includes 300 marks. In Ashtanga Hridaya, we have only 1 paper, that is for 100 marks. In BAMS second year, we have 4 subjects. First, Dravya Guna, Roga Nidana, Rasa Shastra, and Charaka Samhita. Dravya Guna is for 400 marks, that is, it contains 2 papers, 100 marks for each subject plus 200 for practicals, that is 400 total. For Roga Nidana and Rasa Shastra, both have similar pattern, that is, it has 2 papers, 100 marks each paper plus 100 practicals. So these 2 subjects are for 300 marks. In Charaka Samhita, we don't have 2 papers, we just have a single paper, that is for 100 marks. In BAMS third year, we have 5 subjects: Agadatantra, Swastra Vritta, Striroga, Kaumar Bhridya, and Charaka Samhita. Agadatantra has 1 paper, that is for 100 marks, and 50 for practicals. Overall 150 marks. Swastra Vritta each has 2 papers, that is 100 marks for each paper and 100 for practicals. These 2 subjects have similar pattern, that is Swastra Vritta and Striroga are 300 marks. Kaumar Bhridya and Agadatantra are also same, that is 100 marks for subject and 50 marks for practicals, 150 marks total. And Charaka Samhita, it has only 1 paper, that is for 100 marks. In BAMS fourth year, we have 5 subjects: Kaya Chikitsa, Panchakarma, Shalyatantra, Shalakyatantra, and Research Methodology and Medical Statistics. In this, we have 2 papers, 100 marks for each paper plus 100 for practicals, 300 marks. In Panchakarma, there is only 1 paper, that is for 100 marks plus 50 marks for practicals, that is 150 marks. Shalyatantra and Shalakyatantra both have similar pattern, that is 100 marks for each paper as it have 2 papers plus 100 marks for practicals. While coming to research methodology and medical statistics, it contains only 1 paper, that is also for 50 marks. So, in short, for first year, it is for 1000 marks. Second year is for 1200 marks. Third year is for 1000 marks. And fourth year is for 1100 marks. So, in this Ayurvedic medicine course, along with 4 years theory knowledge, we have 1.5 year internship program also, that is similar to the MBBS course. So if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.